Hi there, and welcome to Tammy Talk TV, where we share ways to live a healthy, happy life. Today I want to talk to you about homeschooling, and that is not a conversation I ever thought I would have with you, because I didn't homeschool my own children, and I never taught grade school. But the thing is, I was a college professor for 12 years, and for 11 of those years I taught life skills to college students. And the overriding question every semester that I taught that class was, why on earth didn't they teach me this in elementary school, and if not elementary school, at least grade school? Why did I have to come to an elective class in a college classroom to learn these skills that would have served me so well earlier in life? So here's what I propose to you. Since so many are having to take a larger role in their children's education, let's see this as an opportunity and teach them some skills that will serve them well for the rest of their lives. Because they may get them in some way, shape, or form in grade school, but now is the chance for you to be sure that they get a solid foundation of life skills. And that's one of those things that whether you're 3, 33, or 103, if you don't know these skills, you need to know them. And if they aren't as sharp as you might like them to be, now is an opportunity to sharpen them. And if you're teaching this to your children, if you've never learned anything in coordination with your children, you may not realize what an incredible bonding experience it is. But to learn something with your child and to apply that to your daily lives together and to see it blossom together is really an incredible bonding experience. So when I stopped teaching, I really had trouble letting go of this particular class because I enjoyed teaching it so much. And the reason I enjoyed teaching it was not because I taught them so much, but because I learned so much from them. Because everybody comes to the class with a certain set of tips, tools, and techniques that they use for certain circumstances. And so when we talk about a particular subject, then everyone has a contribution to that. So if you're lacking in that area, the class would lift you up. You know, a rising tide lifts all boats and all that. So if that's an area where one person was lacking, the entire class could contribute tips, tools, and techniques to help them grow that area, and then vice versa. So after I stopped teaching, I decided to bring this material to an online community and try to continue that same conversation. So what I propose for any of you who need to sharpen these skills, or if you're taking a larger role in your children's education and you want to teach them these skills, we're not actually going to offer the registration in this course that I've put together until until something happens with the pandemic, because now it's just really doesn't feel like the right time to try and make a profit from it. However, I am offering it to anyone on YouTube who would like to either learn these skills themselves, teach them to their children, or a combination thereof. I will just give it to you. So it is 9 lessons, and each lesson has text, exercises, a dynamic Q&A playlist, and resource links. So you can get as far into any of these subjects as you would like. And the subjects are wellness, which is the foundation for health and happiness. So wellness is first, and then we go on to cultivating healthy habits, setting goals and achieving them, managing time and energy, having conscious conversations, learning styles, leadership, organization, and organization includes organizing our finances. Believe it or not, you can teach that to small children. Organizing our physical space and organizing cyberspace. So those are the overall general categories, and then of course each one of those breaks down into 3 or 4 smaller segments. So it's a total of about 300 pages, but it is 9 lessons, and each lesson has text, exercises, a video Q&A playlist, and source and resource links. And the way the video Q&A playlist works, if you have a question that you don't see represented there, just drop it in the comment box below and I will come back with another video in response to that question. However, it also gives your classmates an opportunity to contribute their tips, tools, and techniques as well. So it's really a very dynamic conversation across multiple platforms. But for our particular circumstances right now, we're using YouTube, but we will be expanding it to multiple media platforms. Okay, so if you would like a free copy of this curriculum for you, your children, or both of you to learn together, it's very simple. Just like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment in the box below that says I sent you an email. Then send that email to tammytalk2020@gmail.com, and I will send you a link where you can download the entire curriculum. From there, we will go through it together. Okay, so that's sort of a brief introduction, and over the course of the next couple of weeks, we're going to dive into each one of these subjects a little deeper so that you can get a better idea of exactly what the curriculum is composed of. Okay, so until then, here's wishing you health and happiness.